Means 10 records are loaded from disk to memory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 records. Okay. Now when their condition came in picture, it started scanning that which all record are giving us true for this condition. So maybe record first gave me true, third gave me true, fifth gave me true, that's it. How many records are left now? 3. Now set command came in picture. So the only option left is whoever left, they will be modified. So always remember, first of all, tables, then conditions, and then actually what we want to do. Now, using of queries over here, I told you that when I'm saying set and column name, I'm specifying a value over here. Either you type a value directly, or you write a query like this. I have written a query which is saying select job ID from employees where employee ID is 205. Okay, this is one query I have written. Another query I have written is select salary from employees where employee ID is 205. Okay, what exactly or how exactly Oracle will use this whole command? As these two select queries are written where in parenthesis, they will be given priority. Okay, because see, if Oracle start executing update command, then database says, when I execute this command, I need a value for job ID. Do we have that? No, we have a query over here. So what database will say is, you should first execute this query. So automatically this query is executed first of all, and whatever is the result of this query, select job ID from employee where employee ID is 205. That result will be placed over here. And the result of this query is even placed over here. So finally, when this whole command is executed, it will be looking like update employees set job ID is equals to some job ID like salesman, and not and because there is a comma, then salary should be equals to 2000, where 2000 is provided by this select query and salesman is provided by this select query. Okay, so we can write select queries in place of providing the values. So what is going to be the dynamic data? Automatically the data is pulled up. And we are talking about, are we talking about all the records? No. We are only talking about record of employee 113. When do you think this command will give you an error? Or is it always going to be successful?
So it will give many results for that query.
Yeah, so point is, at this point everything looks good. Job ID, salesman, salary should be 2000. For which employee? For employee whose ID is 113. Everything is fine. We will load the table in the memory. We will search the data of employee whose ID is 113, and that employee details will be modified like this. So what if these two select queries will give you more than one result? Right. So just suppose if by chance I skip this condition. Okay. Thankfully, in this case, employee ID is a primary key. That means a value or a column that can uniquely identify a record. So when I specified an employee ID as 205, I can guarantee that I am only getting one value. Okay. The problem is if you skip a condition, or if you put a condition like where department number is equals to 20, then what will happen? There are many employees working for department 20. And all those employees' job ID will be placed over here. So Oracle says, which one should I use? This is the column of which record? Single record. I can only adjust one value over here. And this query provided